Hi guys, I'm here with another setup video again, and I'm very excited to show you this. This is something I did over the weekend, and I just wanted to share with you. If you are new here, my name is Patience, and on this channel I make decoration videos using balloons and just party decoration. Any party decoration, that's what I do on this channel, and a little bit of gardening. So if you're interested in any of those, just hit the subscribe button and stay connected to the family, and you will not regret it. So here, as you can see, I have my balloons. I am using gold and black balloons, and I'll be using my electric pump to inflate my balloons because that is going to make my life easy and make the job easy as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and start inflating my balloons. If you have been following me here, you know when I'm doing organic balloon garland, I inflate my balloons in different sizes so that it will give that organic look. So I use my electric balloon pump to inflate my balloons by just inserting 2 balloons into the nozzles of the pump at the same time, and then once I inflate my balloons, I will press it down and release the air a little bit just to shape it round, because I love when my balloons are very round and not looking like an avocado or a pear. I always say that because I love round balloons. It makes my decorations more beautiful than when they are long. So guys, I'll just continue inflating my balloons and tying them, putting them in pairs. That way, once I'm done, it will be easy to put it in a garland. So we are going to go very fast and inflate the balloons, and then we'll be right back. Alright guys, so before we continue, I just want to show you my space that I'll be working with today. This is a basement, and we are going to transform this basement and make it beautiful. Like you can see, we have already set our tables and chairs, and we are about putting the table covers, and we are going to start decorating. Okay guys, so I inflated all my balloons behind the scenes, and I am back, and I'm about to put my balloons in a garland. Now we are going to use a fishing line for this decoration today. We are going to use a fishing line to create that garland. So I'm just going to take my fishing line and I will start putting my balloons in a garland. I really love the way these balloons look. I love the black ones. They have this unusual shine. They look so good, and you know what? They are calisand balloon. If you are wondering, I hope you saw on the packs that they are calisand balloons, and I inflated them in different sizes, various sizes. I don't think there's any balloon that look alike here, but as you can see, I'll just use my fishing line to tie the clusters together. So I'm starting with this cluster of 3 balloons, and then I'll just keep adding my balloons as I go. Now I'm going to make sure that I secure the first one very well, because we are going to be working with that, so we have to make sure that the first one is well secured and our fishing line is well secured to the balloon. So that's a cluster of 4. Sorry guys, I earlier said 3. A cluster of 4. Just twist your 2 pairs together. Get 2 pairs of balloons, twist them together, and then that's going to give you a cluster of 4 balloons. So that's a very small cluster, and I'll just start we'll continue by adding my balloons onto the cluster, and as I add my balloons, I will press down onto the cluster, and then I will pass the ribbon. I'll pass my fishing line round to create like an 8. I'll just pass it around to create like an 8, and then just to make sure that it is well secured. Okay, so I'll just keep adding my balloons as I walk through my garland. I'll keep adding my balloons and tying them together onto using my fishing line until I'm done putting it together. So once I'm done, I'm going to secure the fishing line, making sure that it doesn't allow my balloons to fall off. I'll secure it very well. And as you can see, I went ahead and I mounted my backdrop using my backdrop stand. I'm sorry I couldn't show this on the camera because it was just a lot to deal with, and so I didn't record that. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to tie my garland onto my stand using a 260 balloon. And once I tie my garland, I'm going to, you know, place it where I want it to be on the backdrop stand, and then you're going to see what it looks like. So I call this the skeleton of my garland. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to call the skeleton of my work, and at this point I'm going to start building it, and I will show you the finished look tomorrow, not today, but let's see what we can do tonight. And yeah, we need just a few balloons here. I don't know if you're seeing, yeah, just a few balloons on this side because I want this side to be smaller, and then it should grow bigger progressively right down. The bottom part should be the biggest, so that's what I'm aiming for. All right, people, let's see what we can get. Again, I'll just continue my 260 balloons. Yeah, I think this is going to be the best, my best one for tonight. Alright guys, so at this point I'm just using my 260 balloons to add my balloons onto my garland that is already hanging there. So I'm adding it to make sure that it is full as I want. It is all about being creative, guys. You know, I say this all the time, you just need to be creative. So I'm just going to get creative at this point until I achieve what I'm looking for. Like you can see, I was able to, you know, get what I wanted, and at this point I'm going to go in with my 5-inch balloons that I've put in clusters, in little clusters, because it is going to enhance the garland. It is going to give it a very beautiful look. Never underestimate your 5-inch balloons, okay, because that is what will give the beauty to your garland. So that's just what I'm doing, adding my 5-inch balloons onto my garland, and that is going to be the last step. All right guys, look at how beautiful this is. I was able to get exactly what I wanted. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I love it. I don't know what you think, but I am really in love with it. My client was pleased, the invitees were pleased with the setup. I received a lot of calls telling me how beautiful this setup was, and that gives me the joy of doing this, guys, to be able to satisfy my clients and their invitees. That is what gives me the joy. So I was very pleased with the setup as well. And one other thing that I was not able to do during the setup was that I was not able to get the throne chair into the basement because the doors were too small for the chair to fit in. So we tried everything we could, but the chair couldn't fit, so we ended up just giving up. So that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new again, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you, and share the video because sharing is caring. Thank you. Make sure you share, make sure you like, leave me a comment in the comment section so that I will know that you stopped by, and I will see you in the next video.